Hello! Welcome to Beginner English, the podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm super excited to be here today.
And I'm Jack. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you're listening to our show today.
You know what, Jack? I woke up this morning and I was thinking, what makes people happy?
That's a great question. Maybe ice cream.
Ice cream is good, but I was thinking about hobbies. Hobbies. Hobbies.
Oh, yes. Hobbies make people very happy. A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time.
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about hobbies. We'll learn hobby words, practice conversations, and have lots of fun.
And Emma, I have to ask, what's your favorite hobby?
Well, I love cooking. I make terrible cookies, but I have fun trying.
Terrible cookies? That sounds like my kind of cooking. My hobby is playing guitar. I'm not very good, but my cat seems to enjoy it.
Your poor cat. Okay, everyone. Are you ready to learn about hobbies? Let's go.
All right, let's start with some basic hobby words. Emma, what's the first one?
Let's start with reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading.
Reading means looking at books, magazines, or newspapers and understanding the words.
Example. I love reading mystery books. Everyone say it. I love reading mystery books.
Next word, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking.
Cooking means making food. You can cook breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Example, my grandmother enjoys cooking pasta. Let's practice. My grandmother enjoys cooking pasta.
Now let's learn swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Swimming.
Swimming means moving through water. You do this in a pool, lake, or ocean.
Example. Swimming is great exercise. Everyone repeat. Swimming is great exercise.
Here's a fun one. Dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing.
Dancing means moving your body to music. You can dance alone or with other people.
Example. I like dancing at parties. Say it with me. I like dancing at parties.
Let's try gardening. G-A-R-D-E-N-I-N-G. Gardening.
Gardening means growing plants, flowers, or vegetables. You work outside with soil and water.
Gardening makes my hands dirty, but I love it.
Practice time. Gardening makes my hands dirty, but I love it.
How about painting? P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G. Painting.
Painting means making pictures with colors. You use a brush and paint on paper or canvas.
Example. Painting helps me relax. Let's say it together. Painting helps me relax.
Great job so far, everyone. Jack, should we do more vocabulary?
Yes, let's keep going.
Okay, here's singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing.
Singing means making music with your voice. La 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 la, like that.
Beautiful voice, Jack. Example. Singing in the shower makes me happy. Everyone, singing in the shower makes me happy.
Now let's learn traveling. T-R-A-V-E-L-I-N-G. Wait, that's a tricky word to spell.
T-R-A-V-E-L-I-N-G or T-R-A-V-E-L-L-I-N-G. Both spellings are okay.
Traveling means going to different places for fun, maybe other cities or countries.
Example, I dream about traveling to Japan. Practice. I dream about traveling to Japan.
Here's shopping. S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G.
Shopping means buying things at stores. Clothes, food, books, anything.
Example. Shopping for shoes is fun, but expensive.
Let's repeat. Shopping for shoes is fun, but expensive.
And let's add photography. Photography.
Wow, that's a long word. Photography means taking pictures with a camera.
Photography helps me remember good times. Say it. Photography helps me remember good times.
Last one for now. Sports. S-P-O-R-T-S. Sports.
Sports are physical activities like football, tennis, basketball, or running. Example, playing sports keeps me healthy. Everyone, playing sports keeps me healthy.
Fantastic! We learned so many hobby words.
Emma, let's show our listeners how to talk about hobbies. I'll ask you some questions, okay?
Perfect. Go ahead, Jack.
So, Emma, what do you do in your free time? Well, I have several hobbies. I love cooking, as you know. I also enjoy reading and gardening.
That's interesting. What kind of books do you read?
I read romance novels, mostly. They're fun and make me laugh. Sometimes I read cooking books, too, but they don't help much.
What about gardening? What do you grow?
I grow tomatoes, carrots, and flowers. My tomatoes are huge, but my carrots look like tiny fingers.
Tiny finger carrots. That's funny. How often do you do your hobbies?
I cook every day because I need to eat. I read before bed every night, and I garden on weekends when it's sunny.
That sounds wonderful. Now, ask me about my hobbies.
Okay. Jack, besides playing guitar for your cat, what other hobbies do you have?
Well, I love photography. I take pictures of everything. My food, my cat, clouds, flowers.
Do you travel to take photos?
Sometimes. Last month I went to the mountains. I took 500 photos of trees. My phone memory was full.
500 photos of trees? That's a lot of trees.
Yes, I also like swimming. I go to the pool twice a week, and I'm learning to dance.
Dancing? That's exciting. What kind of dancing?
Salsa dancing. It's very difficult. I step on my teacher's feet every lesson.
Poor teacher. But practice makes perfect.
Exactly. That's why hobbies are great. You can always get better.
I agree. Hobbies make life more interesting and fun.
Let's help our listeners with some tricky pronunciation. Some hobby words are difficult to say.
Great idea. Let's start with photography. Listen. Pho-ta-gra-phy. The stress is on two.
PH sounds like F, so it's photography, not photography. Try it. Photography.
Another tricky one, gardening. Listen, gardening. The stress is on gar.
The R sounds like the R in car. Gardening. Everyone say it. Gardening.
How about swimming? Be careful with the double M. Swimming, not swim-ing.
That's right. 2 M's make the M sound stronger. Swimming. Practice. Swimming.
And traveling can be tricky because of the L sounds. Trav-ing. The L is soft.
Don't worry if it's difficult. Just practice. Trav-ing. You've got this.
Remember, everyone, pronunciation gets better with practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Now let's play a fun game. We'll describe a hobby and you guess what it is.
Listen carefully to the clues. Ready for the first one?
Clue number 1. I do this hobby in water. I move my arms and legs. It's good exercise. I wear special clothes called a swimsuit. What hobby is this?
The answer is swimming. Did you guess correctly?
Great job. Here's clue number 2, Emma.
I do this hobby with a camera. I look for beautiful things like sunsets and flowers. I press a button and saved the moment forever. What hobby is this?
Yes, it's photography. How are you doing so far?
Clue number 3. I do this hobby in the kitchen. I use ingredients like flour, eggs, and sugar. I put things in the oven. Sometimes I make a mess. What hobby is this?
Right, it's cooking, or maybe baking specifically.
One more. I do this hobby with books. I sit in a comfortable chair. I turn pages and learn about different stories and characters. I use my eyes and my imagination. What is this?
Exactly, it's reading. You're all so smart. Did you get all 4 correct?
Don't worry if you missed some. You can listen again later.
Jack, let's share some funny hobby stories to help people remember the vocabulary.
Oh, this will be fun. I have a friend who loves gardening, but he talks to his plants every day.
He talks to his plants?
Yes, he says, "Good morning, tomatoes. How are you today, carrots?" His neighbors think he's crazy.
That's actually sweet. I have a silly cooking story. My brother loves cooking, but he once put salt in his coffee instead of sugar.
Salt in coffee? That sounds terrible.
It was. He took one sip and made this face. Blah. Here's another one. My cousin loves photography. She takes selfies with her food before every meal.
Every meal?
Every meal. Breakfast selfie, lunch selfie, dinner selfie. Her phone has 10,000 photos of her eating.
That's dedication. I know someone who loves reading so much that she reads while walking. She bumps into trees.
Reading while walking? That's dangerous.
She says books are more interesting than watching where she's going.
These silly examples help us remember vocabulary, don't you think?
Absolutely. When something is funny, we remember it better.
Time for our final game. We'll ask you questions and you can answer out loud. Ready?
Question 1. What hobby uses water? Think for 5 seconds.
If you said swimming, you're right. Good job.
Question 2. What hobby needs books? Take your time.
Reading. Excellent.
Here's a harder one. What hobby makes your hands dirty but grows beautiful things? Think.
Gardening. That was tricky.
Now, let's practice talking about your hobbies. Complete this sentence. My hobby is... Say it out loud. Pause.
Good. Now try, I like because it's fun. Fill in your hobby. Pause.
Excellent. One more. I do my hobby times a week. Use a number. Pause.
Wonderful. You're getting so good at talking about hobbies.
Now, here's a creative challenge. Think of someone you know. What hobby do they have? Say, my friend likes, or my sister enjoys. Pause.
Perfect. You're using the vocabulary in real situations.
Last challenge. What's a hobby you want to try? Say, I want to learn. Pause.
Amazing. Dreaming about new hobbies is exciting.
Let's quickly review the hobby words we learned today.
Reading, cooking, swimming, dancing, gardening, painting,
Singing, traveling, shopping, photography, and sports.
Remember, a hobby is something you do for fun in your free time.
You can say, my hobby is, or I like, or I enjoy.
Don't forget, I do my hobby every day or twice a week or on weekends.
And remember our pronunciation tips: photography, gardening, swimming.
Practice makes perfect. The more you use these words, the easier they become.
Try to use one new hobby word every day this week.
Well, everyone, that's all for today's episode about hobbies.
We had so much fun teaching you these words. I hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Remember, hobbies make life more colorful and interesting. What new hobby will you try this week?
Maybe cooking. Just don't put salt in your coffee like my brother.
Or photography. Take pictures of everything, except maybe don't take 500 photos of trees like me.
Before we go, we have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed today's podcast, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click that subscribe button. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And if you have friends who are learning English, share this podcast with them. Learning is more fun with friends.
You can also leave us a comment. Tell us about your favorite hobby. We love hearing from our listeners.
Next week, we're going to talk about food and restaurants. Get ready to learn delicious vocabulary.
Until then, keep practicing your English every day. Little by little, you're getting better.
Thank you for spending time with us today. You're amazing English learners.
Have a wonderful week, everyone. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep having fun.
Goodbye from Emma.
And goodbye from Jack.
See you next week.